All right, fifth graders. This assignment, you get to read a poem from a book called The Crossover. And once you are done with this video, go ahead and watch the author of the book read a different poem from the same book. Then you'll go to the poem, and don't freak out because it's a poem. It's really just a story where the lines are a little shorter, if that helps. What you're going to look for is details that help you create mental images of where the characters are and what they are doing. Now, there is a picture that can help you as well, but I want you to underline details in the story that help you create those mental images, that movie in your mind, because that's an important part of reading, is creating that mental image to really help us understand what's going on. So that is your job number 1. Your job number 2 is to answer this question. Why do you think the narrator lets Vondi win? Cite at least one detail from the poem to support your answer. So this is sort of an opinion. Why do you think he does that? Why do you think he lets his friend win? And then make sure you include a detail from the story as your reason. So I think he lets Vondi win because and here's my evidence from the story. It's important that we can look back at the story and support our answer, give reasons why we think our answer is right. So again, here's the author. His name is Kwame Alexander. He wrote a book called The Crossover. This is one of the poems from it. Go watch this other one once you are done, partially because it's just good to hear poetry read aloud, especially by the person who wrote it, because then you really know what it's supposed to sound like. Remember, if you want to listen to the poem, you can use this link. It's on pages 12 and 13. Okay? Sorry. Excuse me. Okay, good luck.